So this entire section of pipe has tree roots in it. Ow. Okay, see this tap root here? This goes through the whole thing, dude. This whole thing is filled with mud and roots. This thing is probably about 80 pounds. Come try to lift this fucker and you'll see it's heavy. So this entire section had been broken into by roots, completely wasted. So it was just a couple of feet, but then the roots were all the way down here. So that's why we opened up such a long trench, okay? And you see that it's brand new 4-inch SDR PVC, which is a little thicker than this thin stuff, okay? So that whole section is new. We jetted this line, blew out a bunch of rocks. I also smoke tested both systems. I smoke tested the left system and I smoke tested the right system to see if there was any hidden or broken areas in the ground. We also, I jetted all the lines today after I replaced them. I cleared them all out. So everything is jetted and everything was smoke tested, okay? You have this area, which was a 90 and a 90. So instead I double 45'd it, okay? And then this area was also a 90 and a 90. So you had 4 90s here to get around where they put the tree. It didn't need to be like that. So I designed it with 45, so it's a much smoother transition, okay? Way smoother. The blue stuff you see is actually root killer, so that it repels the roots when they try to grow this way. They'll die when they hit the chemical, but it won't kill the tree. So it'll basically communicate to the roots, don't grow here, okay? So instead of digging up just one section here and then one section on the other side of the tree, we just followed it and dug up the whole section, okay? And that's the section that was really squished. You can see the stain of where the root was pushing up on it, okay? So that was packed with mud, and so were your 90s. This one. So there's your 490 design. There was half the 90 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, quadruple 90 section. That's gone. And then when we smoke tested, I'm gonna fix this for you. When we smoke tested the back drain, right? When we smoke tested it, we found 2 hidden drains under your grass. So what you have, okay, why that's up so high, I don't know, but keeping it how it was. Might just be an overflow. In case this drain is clogged, then it'll at least overflow here. I don't know. But anyway, so when we smoke tested back here, we found, see, we jetted this too. Everything's jetted and everything is smoke tested, dude. So if we didn't smoke test this going backwards, we wouldn't have found these 2 extra drains here, okay? We found these, popped them up, jetted this too. So it's a lot of extra stuff, but it's part of the job. See here? There's no way we would have found this. And that's clear too, that's jetted. So that's the beginning of it here. There's no drain that continues into here. If you wanted a drain here, you'd have to put a brand new one in here. And it looks like it slopes from there to here, and then all of this slopes into there. So if that's the section you're talking about, you don't have any drains in there. You would need to put one there. And what I would do is I would put one right here in this low corner. I'd put a square one right there and bring a brand new drain over, tie it into the back of that since we found that, okay? This system, this cuts all the way across and ties into that rain gutter that is right on the corner where you have all your stuff plugged in, okay? That rain gutter cuts it, we jetted that as well, cuts across, ties into this rain gutter right here. right there. That rain gutter system, that one way over there in the corner comes this way and then continues to our new section here, goes out to the street. That's part of that system. But this system, if this is what you're talking about as far as northwest, then you don't have any drains over there. It's not that a drain is clogged, it's just you don't have a drain over there. So you want to put one in there, let me know. We could put a nice fat square one right there, 4-inch or 3-inch, and bring it this way and tie right into the back of this. We can even cap these when we're here if you don't need them in the grass. Maybe they're here because your hardscape is sloped this way. So maybe they are good to have. I would just maybe put some risers on them so that the grate is more at grass level rather than below. Because you can see that they were packed with dirt and mud and they are not draining if they're covered. So anyway, a lot of cool extra stuff today. I'll send you the little video of the smoke coming through the grass, which showed us that there's drains there. A new drain there would solve that. And you're good to go, dude. We hooked you up today, bro. You're totally clear all the way through and through. Jetted all kinds of stuff, smoke tested everything. All right, total quality management here for your area drain system. And now we just got to backfill, okay? Backfill and clean up. Plumbing's done. All right, dude. Hope you dig it.